Lexi leri xi ngile Matsonga Machangani va ka hina namuntlha hi hlanganile na vonghizwe lava Mazulu hi mhaka ku yimbelela va dzumba hi ri non'weni wa vona hambi swi nga nyawulangi. Hi phahlelani Marieta mi ta swi vona loko se va posta yi hi teke vo 3 hours va kombela ku rivaleliwa hi ku hina Matsonga Machangani a hi rhandzi tinyimpi mara sweswi Machangani hinkwavo Vatsonga Mozambique Zimbabwe everywhere South Africa ni te a va huma milon'weni ya hina a va susi hina emilon'weni ya vona va phahla Marieta mi ta vona ti ta huma podcast ta kona ku ri a va apologize aka tiko hinkwaro and then vanhu hinkwavo va ka hina they are free hi va aka tiko hi vanhu van'we Mozambique everywhere na kesa n'wananga
na kesa
kona ku n'wananga ku papa na kesa n'wananga
siyabonga
na kesa n'wananga ku papa
na kesa
papa
na kesa baba
ai n'wananga kene ndu
Yeah, presents for you.
baba papeni ngathi bangihamba ngathola ama stationery awu 2000 kanye nama ecathulo zi 1000 and then because ngirepresenta the whole country I decided ukuthi as a president of the Bhinqa Nation not be given to only abantu bakwaZulu and also encouraged by my sister here Tebogo Mahlayela and siyacela baba papeni as a leader esimhloniphayo thina kakhulu musically culturally and ngayo yonke indlela sicela uthathe nazo icathulo baba uhambe nazo esigabeni ukuthi baba uphe noma ngabe umuphi umndeni
n'wananga avule ngibone phela ngoze ngifakele amabhomu amvule ngibone. Oh wow. How many? Zingakana? Zingaki?
mhlawumbe uzuba
17.
oh 17 my box is 17 by 17 shooting almost 40
Okay.
yes
No.
40 students.
Ngiyabonga. Na Kensa n'wina nta mi nyika kwele Giyani yi huma kwala ka Mabhinqa namuntlha a hi hlangana ku ri ku va na ntwanano wa rixaka South Africa hinkwayo. Se na Kensa info. Na Kensa n'wananga.
na kesa
Kona ku n'wananga ku papa. Na Kensa n'wananga.
siyabonga
Na Kensa n'wananga ku papa.
na kesa
na kesa baba
Papa.
na kesa baba
Ai n'wananga. Leswi swi huma namuntlha ku ri ta mi nyika kwale makaya namuntlha hi vanhu van'we we are one nyimpi ya hina hinkwenu the fight is for all of us the peace is inside of us ni vulavula hi xilungu xa broken because I grow broken and then
I feel better
yeah
we understand
you understand
Yeah.
it's a communication
Yes.
I speak poor English because I grew poor.
And it's not your
I'm
language.
not the English.
Not your language.
You're saying I'm a scapula.
Yes.
I'm trying to make them to understand. Look, no one is strong as Shanga and I'm getting to wow. Say no today I'm so happy. I believe in Munduman join Lapa e
Being the
Bhinqa Nation
is a good to Kuluma is Shanga, I'm shy. We man
Yeah.
because once you march you have all the nation, all the language. Yeah, ngiyabonga cases and cases nine. Everything is everything is
mana lezicathulo ziye village zingaphelele ingane zakhe zu32
Zinomizi yazo. Yeah, only the two. The youngest 15 and 7.
but soon and very soon
Msebenzi wami wakunikela.
please invite us please invite us we want to come and
No, na Kensa Sunene, na Kensa. Hey, I'm not singing here. Take the
kesa
mic.
papa
Siyabonga baba, siyabonga kakhulu.
Yo,
Na Kensa,
you make
baba.
my day.
Na
Inendele
Kensa, baba.
siku. So shena boxing sikelela kwala. So ya Giyani.
yebo sihamba nakho konke phela baba
You can see.
and then when you invite us we come with more and please don't change i-attitude yakho baba, and the way you are in parliament, we also follow you, and siyayibona zonke into ozenzayo nendlela okhuluma ngayo nendlela okumele, is because when you come they think the committee is here, the only they want is to laugh like this stupid because Malema don't always laugh at you and try to make you
abanye abantu abathuki mawuthuka wazi kusasa uzongena kuphi. But what I want to say, ngiyabonga na cancer ni swinene hinkwaswo leswi endleka kulani na cancer ikubuyisa South Africa yiba xuluxiwe.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Lokho umsebenzi wami is what I do.
Thank you.
I believe today ngoba singla siyakhuluma bazobuya endleleni ngoba to tell you the truth ngoba bathi tamatisi labola le1 libolisa yonke waba rotten tomatoes manje you are a fresh tomatoes today.
Where do I get a fresh water?
Wasuka imbungulu le1 engcolisa zonke imbungulu lo mfana mara namhla zishayinekile ziyaphila zonke thina siyahlonipha ekelento manilo afwethu nathi zobakhona itabakhona kamwini
Angidaba khona ke
mani
nami
nami
ngizakhensa khona lapho.
bange ungabeni mangela la
Nami ngizakhensa khona lapho.
okay Shinene
Siyabonga.
You guys can take pictures with the shoes, Monday.
Mina angifuni ukuthatha ama pictures kakhulu nezintombi ezinhle ngoba vele kube ngathi yami. Asibonga kakhulu sokumukela baba. Siyathokoza kakhulu.